Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and resonating with the readings. Do like the channel, comment on the channel, click the bell icon and let me know how you feel the readings are. So let's start. This is my usual tarot deck, this is one of the decks which I use almost every day. So I thought today let's do a reading from that deck. As usual, two cards have come out. So first we will see these two cards. The first card is the Knight of Swords and the second card is the Eight of Cups. So I feel work-wise, you're going to move forward. I see this Knight as moving forward. Maybe there is some sort of a thought going on in your mind that should you fight for it, or should you just go in your path, and or should you be on a defensive mode is what I feel when I see this card. But what I would suggest, maybe for this I will take out one more card to see what you should do. And it just says it's a Sun card, so maybe you just do what you do always. You don't have to fight, you don't need to go on a defensive mode. You just do what you always do, or follow the pattern which you always follow, and whatever it is in work, in business that is troubling you or that is creating an obstacle, that will go away from your life. Personal life today, because Eight of Cups is usually affection, I feel you are very sad and upset. Maybe in the past few days, whatever has been happening is depressing you or making you feel sad. And when I see this card, I am seeing these pillars. Actually, when I suddenly saw this, I felt as if there are two eyes. It's more like two eyes, and it was tears coming. So maybe you have been feeling very low of late and you have been crying, or you have been missing and crying over the departed soul. But life has to move on. So today I would suggest, if you can just spend some time on your own and make up your mind and think of how to go forward. So what should you do to go forward? Okay, now that's a card which has come. Just enjoy the things, small things which are there around your world. Maybe today do something that you like. And if some of you, because I see the card in this world that it is a dancing card, if you like dancing, then put on some music and dance. If you like singing, then just put on some music and sing. Spend time on what you like doing the most. Also, if you want, just go out somewhere, go sit in some place which you usually like spending, and you will feel a lot of change inside you. And whatever it is that is hurting you or upsetting you, end of the day, you have to move forward and you have to come out of it. Today I would suggest wear the color pink, because you need a lot of self-love. And I'm seeing both the cards and the followed up cards, I feel a lot of self-love is needed today. Also, if possible, if you have any water bodies near you, like a lake or a river or a beach, then go there and sit and spend some time and take some fruit and go and offer the fruit to the water goddess, and she in turn will bless you. It can be any fruit which you want to pick, but just put it inside the water and come, so that you will get the blessings of the water goddess. As I said, the color has to be pink today. Also, if possible, you can chant the Kuan Yin mantra, Om Mani Padme Hum, 108 times before you start your day or at the end of the day, and just be thankful to the universe that whatever is happening, somewhere you're learning your lessons, and you will definitely move forward in your life. Have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.